Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for your support. If you are new here, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for supporting us. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. We appreciate you. So today I'm going to be putting you through how to make low budget bonnet cap. The ones you are seeing in the picture was shared as a souvenir at the burial ceremony of my grandmother. When I say low budget, I mean low budget. I didn't have to double. I packaged it myself and it didn't cost much. I didn't have to break a bank to make that. I packaged them and it was shared. I also made this bonnet caps for my wedding ceremony. It was part of the gift I packaged for my ladies. I made them in two shades, light pink and fuchsia pink. So let's get into the video. So for this project, you need a matching bias band, you need a matching thread, you need a bobby pin to pass the elastic. Then you also be needing measuring tape. That one is short, satin. Then also chalk, a marking tool, then an elastic, and lastly your satin. So the first thing to do is to fold your fabric into two, then also into four. So I'll be making use of 12 inches radius. So I'm going to be measuring 12 inches from that point all through. The idea is to get a complete circle. So you mark your required or desired radius. Mine is 12 inches. So after measuring to the end, then you connect the dots to form an arc. So I'm going to cut out the pattern. So the next thing to do is to tape the circle round with the bias tape. So I'm going to be sewing it round. So this is what it looks like after sewing it round. Then I'm going to go ahead and finish it up. But before that, you notch the circle, you notch it round so that it will be easy for you to manipulate the edges. To go ahead and fold it over. Then you stitch round, but you will leave an opening about half inch for the passage of the elastic. So this is what it looks like after joining and after taping. Then you see the opening I left for the passage of elastic. So I'm going to go ahead and iron the edges to flatten it. So for the elastic, I'm going to use my bobby pin to insert it. The head measurement I'm using is 23 inches. So since it is an elastic, you subtract 6 inches from 23. When you subtract 6 inches from 23, you have, so I have 17 inches left. So you insert the bobbin pin and secure the end. If your bobbin pin is bad and does not have points, you can use paper tape. You can use paper tape to secure the edges so that it will be easy for you to pass the elastic without having any issue. So I'm going to insert the elastic through the opening. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the bobbin pin from the elastic. So after that, I'm going to join the elastic at the edge. So this is what it looks like after joining. Then after that, the opening I left behind for the passage of the elastic, I'm going to sew it and lock it up. So this is our bonnet cap. As you can see, no stress. So this is what it looks like. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.